Oftentimes on the show, you hear us talk about the importance of soil testing. And soil testing serves a lot of purposes. One, it keeps us from over-fertilizing, and it also helps us get the plant the nutrients that it needs. So, and the way to do this is real simple. You just want to go about 6 inches, 6 to 8 inches down, and you always collect a little bit, and then hit another spot right here, another 6 inches, and maybe one more spot here in this bed. And then you mix all that soil up with your hands. To be a gardener now, you're gonna get your hands dirty. And then of course, you take that and you put this into the soil test box. And of course, fold this, and now this is ready to go to the soils lab to be tested and help you grow even better plants.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.